Now we are going to see another topic called Typedef. What is this Typedef in C? The word Typedef means it don't have any meaning. It is like a keyword. Like we use a structure means a struct. Likewise, the short form, the keyword. Likewise, this Typedef means it is a keyword in C and it has syntax, and we will use this Typedef word in program also. Typedef in C. Typedef is a keyword in C. It is used to redefine the name of the already existing variable. Already a variable we might have given in a program. To redefine that name, we will use this Typedef. Its syntax is Typedef, the already existing name, and the alias name means the changing name that we are giving. Existing name means name of an already existing variable, and the alias name means another name that we are giving to this existing variable. That is called Typedef in C. If I tell with an explain or with a program, you may understand it very easily. So the two main header files and void main and opening my execution, the syntax like it appears. Typedef int is the existing name, means the data type that we have already given. The alias name is another name like unit. I have given the word unit. So this is the word, the alias name. This is the existing name, the data type, and the Typedef word. So in this unit word, I am storing two variables I, j likewise. I am giving two variables I, j. And I am assigning values also to these two. I is 10 and j is equal to 20. Likewise, I have assigned even the values also. And after our printf statement contains this I is equal to, as it is a int data type, %d, comma, the values answer will be in I. Another printf statement will be, we don't use here scanf statement. Why? Because already I have know the values. I just assigned that for that variable. So no need to use the scanf statement. %d, comma, j. Get ch. Now my output will be I is equal to 10, j is equal to 20. So that's also a very simple program. Just to give you an example how this Typedef is used in a program. For that purpose, it is a very simple program. Now we will see a very complex program for this Typedef. In this program also it's very easy, but we are going to use it using structure. Using structure means already we have seen in many other programs. Before entering into that void main, we have to define that structure, So this purpose of this program is to calculate the age and name of a student. So my program will be, as I am also using the Typedef, first the word Typedef comes, then struct. For a student I am going to calculate it, isn't it? So student. So now student means its name will come. So character name, in the array I give 20 word. Then his age I need. So int age, comma, stu means the student. Now I am going to enter into my void main execution. So that's what we are using here, Typedef also. Typedef concept also used in this program, as well as using structure we are using this program. So that's why before the main function I am just defining the structure, and the purpose of this is student's name and student's age. That is the word stu I have given. Now entering into my void main, this stu student I am declaring one variable s1 likewise, or s whatever it may be, your wish. Next the printf statement appears. Enter student details, as this should be displayed in the output. Enter student details. Then I am going to give his name, age, everything. Next printf statement is enter student name. So after this printf statement we need scanf statement, and the percentage yes, as his name is in character data type, so I am using percentage yes, comma this s1 dot name. S1 is the variable. Next printf statement is enter student's age. I need his age, so for in this scanf statement will be percentage d, because age will be in numbers and that is int data type, so percentage d, comma name means it is like character wise, so it will be displayed no problem, but this is age and this is numbers, it is a value, so we need to fetch that value from that struct function. From that struct function I am going to fetch it, so I am using here the ampersand symbol, s1 dot age. That's all. Get C. No. So I'm here using the ampersand symbol s1 dot age. Then after that it should be displayed in the output with the caps that this is his name, this is his age, but separately, as like in the weight age program we have seen. So I'm giving next printf statement. This like it should be printed. Name means character data type, so percentage yes I have given, that is s1 dot name. You have to get that values name from which s1 dot name. Another printf statement is I need his age, that is percentage d, comma s1 dot var age. Now I am giving my get ch. It's no need to give if it's a user's wish whether you need the output particularly this name, likewise it should be displayed, means you can give these two printf statements you can include, otherwise no need. Enter just student name, age, enter a student name, in that statement itself it's enough for me, means you can finish it, otherwise you can give like this also, with the caps word you have to give. And if name means that s1 dot name should be invoked and this s1 dot age should be mentioned. Closing. Now my output will be like first printf statement. What is that? Enter student details. This will be up here as it is the heading of this output, so enter student details. Second printf statement is enter student name. Enter student name. If I am giving my name Renuga. Third printf statement, what is in the statement? It is enter student age. So it is enter student age. If my age is 19, I have given. Then this printf statement, this caps words name, it will appear. N-A-M-E, name. What's my name? It will fetch into s1 dot name in the previous statement. What is that? Renuga. Next to this caps, age. What is my age? S1 dot age. It will go and fetch in that value, that is 19. So that's all. This is the output, and this is the program where we use the typedef also by using structure. So before entering into this void, we just declare the structure function, and I am using all the printf and scanf statements. The purpose is to calculate a student's name and age, and that's what displayed in the output. And here is some simple 2 points, just 2 points, advantages of this typedef. So this typedef concept now we have so far seen, So what are these advantages of this typedef means? It reduces the length of the code. Yes, of course. So when you use this typedef, what's the purpose of this typedef means? When I use likewise I am calculating the student's age means only for a particular student alone. For a particular student, if this information means, for next student I have to give another printf scanf, so far I will be going on. But when I give this typedef, automatically after the execution of a student's details and everything, suddenly it will again execute the same questions in the output, and it will ask you to enter some input. It won't again ask you to do all these statements likewise. Suddenly all these statement will be executed. The only thing is you have to change the student's name and student's age alone. So for that purpose this typedef is used. It is not possible to calculate. If in a class there are 50 students, means 50 times we can't go and do this program. So for that purpose this typedef program is used. So that's what the first point. The advantage is it reduces the length of the code. It reduces the complexity of data types.